Is there an advantage to settling your case as opposed to going to trial? Would you like to learn the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. Now, if you're faced with the option of trying to settle your case or going to trial, that can be a huge decision. And why do I say that? I say that because when you go to trial, anything can happen. You can get a terrific result, even beyond your wildest expectations. On the other hand, you could wind up with a terrible result and get absolutely nothing, even though you think you had a valid case. Or you could get something in between. If the defense makes an offer that you agree to and you accept, what that means is that is a guaranteed amount of money that you will receive. In some cases, you will be receiving that money over a period of time. In other instances, you will receive that money in one lump sum. But a settlement means that you are giving up your right to go to trial with the possibility that you can have a jury give you more money than what it is you are attempting to settle this case for. On the other hand, if you go to trial, you are now risking the possibility that you will lose that settlement offer in exchange for getting something else. But that something else may be less than what you have been offered or nothing at all. So really, when you go to trial, you are taking a gamble. And that if you have been offered a significant settlement amount of money, then now you are gambling everything. You are taking the risk that you will get more. And there is the possibility that you will, but there is also the possibility that you will get less or nothing at all. So when you are considering whether or not you should settle your case or take your case to trial, this is something that should not be taken lightly, and you should have an in-depth discussion with your attorney about the risks, about the benefits, and the different alternatives that are associated with settling compared to going to trial. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what happens as your case progresses to trial, and now a settlement offer is made. And now you have to make that decision. Do I settle or do I go to trial? I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions of your own. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to talk with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, @oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.